All right.
Oh,
Is this where I show my tits?
yes.
Is this where I do that?
Flash 'em. Woo!
Read.
Show your butt. Show your butt cheeks.
Balls. We just want to see the balls.
No. Nobody wants to see the balls.
Just the balls. We just want the balls. That's it.
The bottom half.
Yeah, just the bottom. Just the bottom part.
Like some ASMR. Put it in some paint. Roll it around.
Well, like you just want to see them like they're the truck nuts. That's really how you want to see them. That's how you want to envision them.
With like real life, like they lifelike balls.
Oh, like they put like silicone nuts.
Yeah.
That's a good.
I bet they do. I'm sure there's
something to look into.
Ones. I've always seen like the plastic ones and stuff.
Like the blue balls. Those are my favorite. Yeah, if I got a set of truck nuts for my fucking turd bucket, I think I would definitely have to go with blue. I mean, I can't believe any other color would be offered other than blue truck nuts. That makes no sense. That's
flesh color.
Oh, flesh. Now, if you get some flesh colored truck nuts, that's okay. Blue or flesh colored. Those are the only two options.
Green.